In this video, I will tell you that how to reserve your ticket in Air Arabia Agent ID. First of all, select your reservation. Click on the reservation tab. Here you should put your traveling city and also select your destination sector. Select your desired date and continue. Here you can see the date that you want to reserve. Select your desired fare without baggage and continue for reservation. Here you should put your desired baggage and then click on the apply to all option and continue for further process. Click on the OK tab. In the next window, you should put your passport information of the passenger. Write first and last name of the passenger, nationality of the passenger, and date of birth of the passenger according to the passport record. In the below tab should put the contact number of the passenger and then click on the on hold option for further process. Now in this window you can select your desired baggage. I have selected without baggage and continue and then click on the OK tab. Now you have successfully reserved your seat. Now you can pay your ticket. Click on the payment option and continue and confirm your ticket. In this way you can reserve and pay your ticket in your Agent Air